You want to think about this little dip in the side of each of your wrists here. So we place the bones kind of connecting together here, and we have this roll where they go back to the side there and then to the front. There is never a moment where they come in and back towards you. So think of your hands being glued around your wrists here, so you're not turning the hands in or out at all. So the first position, we think about having one hand up with the palm away from you and one hand down with the palm towards you. And we just roll the backs of the hands together. So we're thinking one hand up, one hand down, roll the backs of the hands together. One hand up, one hand down, roll the backs of the hands together. We're thinking backs of the hands, one hand comes up and one hand comes down again here, but it's the opposite way now. So we started like this. We had the backs of the hands come together, and now this hand is facing you, this hand is away. And then this time we bring the wrists together here at the front. So we make a little cup shape. And then we go back to the first position. So we've got this hand away, this hand down, roll to the back of the hand. Think about coming into that little crevice at the side there, thinking wrist down, wrist up, and then bring the wrist together. Back to the top there, roll it round, bring it in. So side view, one hand up, one hand down, back to the wrists, one opposite hand up, opposite hand down, in towards one another. Back to the wrists, one hand up, one hand down, towards each other, up, back, down. Thinking of those 4 points can just kind of help you to get the process. And think of that connection, the wrists stay connected, and it's rolling around this little crevice here.